Hello folks, this is Aditya Jha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we have the Huawei Honor Ollie 2 Plus here with us for a hands-on review. So guys, let's begin. The Huawei Honor Ollie 2 Plus is a dual SIM smartphone which has support for 4G on both WCDMA and CDMA technologies, so that's something good about it. And this smartphone, as is seen, has the speaker grill on the bottom and the micro USB on the bottom, and the display is a 5-inch 720p display, IPS LCD display, and the back is a nice finish as is visible over here. Overall, this smartphone isn't that thick or thin, it's an average size for the device. And it comes with Emotion UI on top of Android 5.1 Lollipop, and overall performance was okay enough. This device comes with a MediaTek MT6735P chipset, quad-core 1.3 GHz and a Mali T720 MP2 GPU. It comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. The Ollie 2 Plus would be available in black, white and gold colors. The EMUI variant on top of the smartphone is a light variant, so it's not that heavy or full of bloatware. And the smartphone is a dual SIM smartphone with support for micro SD card expansion, so that's something good about it. Internal storage is 16 GB, but you can always expand it via micro SD card, and that's a good thing about the smartphone. It has 2 GB of RAM, which is more than decent enough for doing almost everything, and it has a 12-bit ADC high precision gravity sensor, Bluetooth 4.0 light sensor and a proximity sensor, and Wi-Fi direct as well as FM radio. And overall, the smartphone's viewing angles weren't that great. The IPS LCD was bright enough, was accurately sharp enough. The camera is a 13 megapixel rear camera and you have a 5 megapixel front camera, and the shots that we took were decent enough for the price for which this smartphone retails. It's not the best in class camera, but still the clarity was there, which is something which is nice. We would like to thank Jay Kapoor from jkyoutube.com for providing us with footage for the same. And the smartphone comes with a 4000 mAh battery which has a quick charge feature and also reverse charging, wherein you can charge other smartphones via your own smartphone, so that's something great for the smartphone. And apart from all of this, the overall battery life and standby time was really great on this one, as is seen on this graph. For a price of 8,499, the Honor Ollie 2 Plus is a great smartphone, and it would retail from 15th February midnight. So guys, this was all for our hands-on review. In case you liked it, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. Stay inspired.